The UK's High Court on Tuesday awarded a lump sum settlement of £251.5 million to Princess Haya bint Al Hussein, the 47-year-old daughter of Jordan's former King Hussein. She is the youngest of six wives of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, multi-billionaire ruler of Dubai, Prime Minister of the UAE, and influential horse racing owner. Judgment provides Princess Haya with sums to cover the cost of running two multi-million pound properties, one next to London's Kensington Palace, as well as her main residence in Egham, Surrey. There is also provision of a substantial security budget, as well as holidays, salaries, and accommodation for both a nurse and in any armored vehicles for the family, and the cost of maintaining various ponies and pets. It has also added secured payments of £5.6 million a year to each of her two daughters, two children, a 14-year-old daughter and a 9-year-old son. These are to be secured with a £290 million guarantee. This long-running court custody battle has thrown a spotlight on the normally closed world of Middle Eastern royal families. Princess Haya fled from Dubai to Britain with her children in 2019, saying she was in fear of her life after discovering Sheikh Mohammed had previously abducted two of his other daughters, Sheikha Latifa and Sheikha Shamsa, and rendered them back to Dubai against their will. Sheikh Mohammed, 72, who is also a giant figure in the horse racing world, has denied the abductions despite a 2020 High Court judgment saying they were in all probability true. He published a poem called You Lived, You Died, widely assumed to threaten the princess after discovering she was having an affair with her ex-British, ex-army bodyguard. Princess Haya continued to receive threats after moving to Britain with messages saying we can reach you anywhere, and she has since spent vast sums on security for fear her children would be abducted and flown back to Dubai. The High Court ruled this year that Sheikh Mohammed had illegally hacked the mobile phones of Princess Haya, her bodyguards, and her legal team, which includes the Tory peer Baroness Shackleton. The hack was made using invasive spyware called Pegasus, which infects targeted phones, and was produced by the Israeli firm NSO Group. Sheikh Mohammed said he had no hacked material in his possession and no surveillance had been undertaken with his express or implied authority. However, the president of the Family Division of the High Court in the UK found to the contrary. In the divorce judgment, Mr. Justice Moore decided that given earlier rulings, the princess and her two children were particularly vulnerable. He said they needed watertight security to ensure their continued safety in the UK. The main threat they faced was not from outside sources, he said, but from their father, a man who had access to the full weight to the state. This news from BBC. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.